What's the meaning of concern? Concern. Concern.
Concern. Concern. The word concern can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to a feeling of interest, care or responsibility towards someone or something. It can also refer to a business or enterprise, or be used as a verb to mean to worry or cause anxiety. In summary, the meaning of concern is closely related to the feelings and actions of individuals towards specific people, things, or situations, and can encompass both positive and negative emotions.